Here's some good news. There is now a CBD THC cancer treatment that has been patented. Great. So we've got this, cannabis cancer fighting treatment that's, available and it's going to be ready to go soon. Except that Big Pharma owns the patent on it. So basically what we have is something that has been known for a long time, that cannabis does have an ability to fight cancer. Now, I'm not making any statements about how effective it is or exactly how it works because I don't know. But there is a general consensus of knowledge that cannabis, marijuana, THC, CBD, whatever, does help fight cancer and is claimed in some cases to actually cure it. So basically that's now going to be available, and it's probably going to work. I mean, because Big Pharma wouldn't be patenting it and then controlling it if they didn't think it was going to work. Basically what it is, that people know that the legalization of marijuana, at least in the first world, is basically right around the corner. Even those who lag terribly behind, like the United States, are still, they're still coming ever closer to it. So basically Big Pharma wants to jump on and patent it right now while they still can, to prevent anybody else from doing it. Because it's not like Big Pharma spent, astronomical amounts of money pushing the war on drugs to try to prevent it from coming along to begin with. I mean, it's no secret that there's more money to be made in treating an illness than curing it. And that is the profit motive of capitalism. Of course, that's not real capitalism. Real capitalism is this thing that doesn't really exist. So, we've got the people who spent, tens of millions of dollars over, decades, trying to keep drugs as illegal as possible, throwing tons of innocent people into prison for just simply owning a damn plant, who were trying to deal with their own problems or just trying to have some form of recreation that's safer than alcohol. And those same people who spent all this time trying to stop it are the ones who are going to walk in the front door, take all the money, claim all the ownership, and walk out like bandits. The irony of that is just, wow. Like, I'm almost tempted to think that maybe this is like a contradiction of capitalism, except that it's not a contradiction, but it certainly kind of feels like one. But this is certainly definitely an irony of the system itself. So it boggles my mind that those who tried to prevent people from trying to deal with diseases, and particularly cancer, with cannabis, are now the ones who are going to massively profit off of it. I know my subscriber base are not particularly religious, but I sincerely hope that there's a place in hell for these people, for what they have made everyone go through. Not only cancer patients, but the innocent people have been thrown in jail as a result of the war on drugs. I really hope that there's a special place, unlike, let's make it the seventh circle of hell, for these people who have done so much to try to harm those who just didn't want to die, or those who just wanted to get high. Absolutely incredible. Spend all this time trying to make money off of people dying, and then when it's very clear that this isn't going to be a viable thing anymore with the legalization of marijuana, they turn around and patent the drug that they were trying to stop. It's just incredible. It just bloody well drives me insane, and just shows the complete and utter hypocrisy of capitalism.
Thank you for watching. If you like this program, then please head over to my Patreon page and set up a monthly donation. It's your donations that keep this program running. Also, if you would like, please rate, comment, subscribe, and share in various social media.